Hi there. Welcome to our channel. How to get a license to be an insurance agent? Insurance marketing has moreover made its step in the technological world. Insurance agents and agencies are consistently utilizing social media as an incredible strategy to contact and talk with their policyholders. In any case, insurance agents should be cautious about how technology and the human experience collide with making a steady customer experience or to find an agent. Let us talk about getting a license to be an insurance agent. Before applying for an insurance agent license, you must first select whether you want to be a captive or independent agent. You can take the licensing exam and apply for a license with a background check after completing the preparation. Following your licensure, you can begin working for an insurance firm or agency and communicating with clients. You can learn and know more about this, as well as other important information, by visiting the link which is in the description box below. Also, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching.